Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple tasks in Asana. This is incredibly useful when you need to duplicate a set of tasks across different projects or sections without recreating them from scratch, saving you valuable time and effort. First, open your project in Asana where the tasks you want to copy are located. Once you're viewing your project, you'll see your task list displayed on the screen. This is where we'll begin the selection process. Now, here's a neat trick for selecting tasks efficiently. Hover your cursor over the left side part of the first task you want to copy. You'll notice your cursor transforms into a hand icon. When you see this, click on the task. This method allows you to select the task without opening its full details panel, which keeps your workflow smooth and focused. Next, hold down the Control key if you're on Windows or the Command key if you're on Mac. This is the key that enables multi-selection, allowing you to choose multiple tasks at once rather than being limited to just one. While keeping that Control or Command key pressed, repeat the same hovering and clicking action on each additional task you want to select. You'll see each task become highlighted as you click it, confirming it's been added to your selection. This makes it easy to grab several tasks in one go. Once you've selected all the tasks you need, release the Control or Command key. Your selected tasks should now all be highlighted together, ready for the next step. Now press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the selected tasks. This keyboard shortcut stores all your chosen tasks in your clipboard, preparing them to be pasted elsewhere. Navigate to the project or section where you want to paste the copied tasks. This could be a different project entirely or simply another section within the same project, depending on your workflow needs. Click on any empty space or task list area in the destination project or section. This action ensures that Asana knows where you want the tasks to appear. Finally, press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the copied tasks. Your tasks will now appear in the new location, complete with all their original details. This method is perfect for replicating recurring workflows or distributing similar tasks across multiple projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.